If you're trying to set up SMTP for AWeber and ClickFunnels, you probably want better email deliverability, right? But here's the thing, both platforms have their own quirks, and if you don't set it up correctly, your emails might end up in spam or not send at all. Stay till the end because I'll show you the best alternative if you're looking for even better results. First, let's quickly cover what SMTP does. Instead of relying on AWeber's or ClickFunnels' built-in email servers, SMTP lets you send emails through a third-party provider like SendGrid, Mailgun, or Amazon SES. This is crucial for better inbox placement and higher delivery rates. Next, setting it up in AWeber. AWeber actually doesn't support direct SMTP integration for sending emails, which is a major limitation. You can use custom domains and SPF/DKIM records to authenticate your emails, but you're still stuck with AWeber's default sending servers. If you're dealing with deliverability issues, your only real option is to switch to a different email marketing platform. Now for ClickFunnels. Unlike AWeber, ClickFunnels does allow SMTP integration, but it's not the most user-friendly setup. You'll need an external SMTP provider. Inside ClickFunnels, go to Account Settings and GT, Email Integrations, then add your SMTP provider details. But be careful, ClickFunnels has had issues with email reputation, so even if you set it up properly, your emails may still get flagged. The biggest issue with both? You don't have full control. With AWeber, you can't fully integrate SMTP, and with ClickFunnels, the setup can be clunky and unreliable. If you want full deliverability control, a better alternative is Recommended Platform, which integrates seamlessly with SMTP and has better built-in tools for email marketing. After testing all these platforms, I found Recommended Platform to be the best option. If you want to set up email marketing properly without deliverability headaches, grab the free trial using the first link in the description. That link gives you the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.